How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix this Xbox 360 Slim red ring of death. Now, there's a lot of problems that can cause this issues, and you could just go ahead and make sure that it isn't resistors, something like capacitors, hardened thermal paste on the hardboard itself, and it isn't overheating. So after making sure that that isn't a problem, you then want to try the following fixes right here. So one of the easiest one is checking the cables and the power supply. Sometimes the issue isn't the console itself, but a loose cable or a failing power supply. So you want to unplug all the power and AV cables from the wall and the console. Wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in firmly. You want to check the light on your power brick. If it's solid red like this one or orange off, your power supply is faulty and needs to be replaced. If it is a solid green, the issue is inside the console itself. So that's going to be something like the capacitor or maybe the thermal paste. From there, you also want to try to retrieve the hidden error code, because the Xbox 360 Slim uses a single red dot instead of a ring, so you need to read the specific flashing light code to know what is broken. So you want to go ahead and turn on the console and wait until the power button blinks red. Press and hold the bind or sync button and then press the eject button at the same time. The power button will then flash a certain number of times. For example, 4 flashes is going to be 0, 1 flash is going to be 1, 2, and flashes 2 is going to be 3, flashes 3 right here. So for example, if it flashes once, you want to, and it pauses, then flashes twice, pauses again, then repeats, your code is going to be 0102. You want to identify your specific code to narrow down the problem, and you could just go ahead and search online what is the fix to that specific problem or what is the error code that you are getting. So if you're getting a error code for something like your power supply, maybe your resistors, maybe it is a overheating error, you could just go ahead and fix those and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.